We'll guide you through how to use Krita AI, a powerful tool for enhancing your digital artwork with the help of artificial intelligence. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open Krita on your desktop and make sure you have the latest version installed, as the AI features are only available in the 2025 update or later. Once Krita is open, go to the top menu and click on the Extensions tab. From there, select AI Tools to access a variety of AI-powered features. Let's start with the AI Colorize tool, which is fantastic for adding color to your sketches. Open your line art by clicking File and then Open. Navigate to your desired sketch. With your sketch open, go back to the Extensions menu, then AI Tools, and click on AI Colorize. The AI will automatically generate color suggestions and apply them to your artwork. You can adjust these colors by selecting different areas of your image and using the color palette that appears on the right side of your screen. Next, let's explore the AI Upscale feature that improves the resolution of your images. If you have an image that you want to upscale, make sure it's open in Krita, then go to Extensions, AI Tools, and select AI Upscale. The software will enhance your image quality without losing detail, making it perfect for printing or larger displays. Another great tool is the AI Style Transfer, which allows you to apply the style of one image to another. Open the image you want to stylize, then go to Extensions, AI Tools, and click on AI Style Transfer. You can choose from several preloaded styles or upload your own reference image. Krita will then blend the style into your image, giving it a unique look. Remember that these AI tools can be CPU intensive, so ensure your computer meets the recommended specifications for best performance. Don't forget to save your work frequently. To do this, go to File and click Save As, choosing your preferred file format. The AI tools in Krita are a game changer for digital artists, offering new creative possibilities and streamlining the workflow. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.